Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So trigonometry 5 marks ki session number 7 previous year's question analysis 2015 to 2025. Okay, so 2018 the hangiba question nama muk discuss tawrasi. So question din hygiene is from the top of a house of height h. The angles of elevation and angles of depression of the top and bottom of a tower are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is h, 1 plus tan alpha cot beta. Okay, so question jin hai zi khoi haipet ye ga gyan ta bang am ko. Okay, now so there is the khoi da mana line 1 ek to si. Okay, now so there is the mahaji house overlay of height h. Okay, so let us consider this as the house. Okay, house overlay re aduga house sigi masagi tower amazu lay. Okay, now tower c kamai toge haibada. So tower c masagi house sigi maton jidagi. Okay, tower sigi top of the tower and bottom of the tower sigi. Okay, now yeng basida kamai toge haiba matamda koina mathaktage ama yenge aduga makhadagi ama muk makhada amuk yenge. Okay, so sigi jina tower nina laure. Okay, sigi jina house ni laure. Okay, now top of the tower is yengat pamatamda. Okay, angles of elevation and angles of depression ama thoe. Yeng jigo ma hai jiga no na. Top of the tower is yengat pamatamda angles of elevation jina alpha ni. Nare ko. Aduga bottom of the tower is yengat pamatamda angles of depression jina beta ni. Okay. Mathangda mana mo pyramid sigi house sigi height sina h ne na pyramid. Okay, adu oitadi maikoina proof tawdoi kaino tower sigi height si h 1 plus tan alpha and cot beta ni haina proof taw hai sigi question dina hai. Okay, now adu oitadi pyramid question je aikoina diagram oina fazani yekthok pe asi diagram oina yekthokpa matamda aikoina db zina aikoina house to nen laurasi natra. Okay, ab zina tower nen laurasi adu oitadi angles of elevation na alpha, angles of depression na beta. Alpha beta silere beta z sigi angle siga chap manarani kaino haiba matamda in alternate interior angles oibani. Okay, so sigi diagram sizinaraga aikoina question ji solve tawbani. Yantare ko sir, let us begin with the solution. Okay, now aikoina solution. Okay, let aikoina sizina is again db ab zina and cd represent ab zina kai orani tower orani represent the height of the ab zina tower orani and cd zina house orani house respectively. Okay. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ? We have ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ? ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ h ꯅꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ. ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯦꯡꯒꯜ ADEG ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯜꯐꯥꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯦꯡꯒꯜ DBCC ꯕꯤꯇꯥꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ? 90 degree ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. ꯑꯦꯡꯒꯜ DCB is equal to 90 degree and angle AED is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now, sigise solve tawuda aikoina right triangle ani se identify tawrasi. Right triangle ani khak leini adudi karino haiba matamda ADE haibam lera natra? ADE haibam lera, and another one is DCB haibam. Okay. Sigi right triangle ani is sina alpha lerani sina beta lerani. Right triangle ani is da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ? ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯃꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯠ DEꯒ BCꯒꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ DE ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ BC ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ DEꯒ BCꯒꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ? ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤꯅ. ꯑꯣꯀꯦ, ꯇꯥꯋꯔꯒꯒꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯃꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ. Okay, so sizinaraga let us try and solve this question. So ahambada kai irisi ke right triangle ahambada irisi. So in right triangle DCB, okay, DCB is the equation tan of beta is equal to CD by BC. Natra perpendicular by base nina. Adu oitadi equation BC je kamai er CD by tan beta. Natra CD is the h nena height of the house nen piramam nina h by tan beta na dum ibirasi. Okay, we'll call this equation 1. Okay. Now, similarly, equina series the mathangi right angle triangle je seasoners in right triangle AED. AED is the okay. Tan of alpha is equal to perpendicular by base. That is called perpendicular by AE by DE. Okay. Adu oitadi aikoina tan alpha or sorry DEG kai haina haibiyare. DE is equal to now this is the equation AE is equal to DE tan of alpha haina haibiyare. Okay. Now this is the onko AE is equal to DE hariba port city BC ga chap manadra. Masai mamang this is the equation discuss tokre. DE is equal to BC haidana. Natra adu oitadi DE mahutta aina BC tan alpha na haibi hai. Natra since DE is equal to BC haidana. Nareko adu oitadi this the AE is equal to BC se kya tare H by tan beta into tan alpha. Natra this is the heavy using equation 1. Okay. Adu oitadi this is the AE harisi 1 by tan beta is nothing but cot beta into tan alpha. Natra since cot beta is equal to 1 by tan beta. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Now, so there is the AE. Here is this. There is the H cot beta into tan alpha na equation mo phang. Okay, now say je ko a e je khoi na kai phang h tan alpha into cot beta na phang. Okay, see is a kai hand pibiram, see is h name piram. Adu eta di height of the tower is the animaxity general with ae plus eb. So therefore the required height of the tower is equal to ae plus eb. ae plus eb or eb plus ae. Okay, so eb eb is nothing but h. Question of pizza natra. See is eb ziga cd ziga manarani natra mathang dana h cot beta tan alpha natra adu ita h common log ta di 1 plus tan alpha na halal si tan alpha cot beta haina ekoina business to natra adu ita di sidhi da among the question hai is find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is equal to h 1 plus tan alpha cot beta. Ni na proof to hai ni na ekoina height of the tower is 1 plus tan alpha cot beta ni hai na ekoina sidhi da proof to. Yan tarani ko sumaina solve to ni sigi questions. Okay, so thank you for joining our classes. We will meet again.